Hi guys, it's Joe here at Jordan Bikes and Leeds and welcome to the video of this Triumph Speedmaster 1200. This one's a 2023 on a 23 plate and it's only done 1,997 miles from new. And as you can see, it's a bit of a rare one is this one because this one is the Chrome edition. So a nice chrome tank, obviously with a bit of red going through it. And I think it does look amazing. It's a real eyeful. So this one has got the backrest on there as well. Obviously they run a two-cylinder 1200cc engine, so plenty of power, plenty of torque. But obviously real old school looks with modern technology. In that modern technology you get ABS, you get different modes as well, so you get road and you get rain, and in them modes is adjustable. It's got traction control in it as well, so it's real handy to have. Cruise control as well up there, and you get daytime running lights with the bike as well, full LED lights. They're a wicked piece of kit, they're lovely. Anyway, if you want to get it bought, be quick. These always sell fast. Get yourself down to Jordan Bikes, just give us a call. Thanks for watching.
My name is Nick and thank you so much for watching the video this far in. The bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are really fussy and it will come with a 3-month warranty. You can upgrade that to a 1-year or a 2-year warranty if you wish, and we offer finance and PCP subject to status. If you do want a more detailed walk around video looking at all the nooks and crannies, then give us a call and we can do that for you as well. Okay, thank you for watching. Give us a ring and buy it.